Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make yourself comfortable, because today we're diving into a question that's both fascinating and maybe a little unsettling. Does artificial intelligence know me better than I know myself? That's right, we're putting our trust in the algorithms. From Spotify to TikTok, from Netflix to Google searches, AI is constantly watching what we like, what we click, and what we skip. But how much does it actually learn about us? Can it really predict who we are, or even who we'll become? Let's find out together. So first things first, what does it even mean for AI to know someone? AI doesn't think like a human. It doesn't have emotions, intuition, or gut feelings. What it does have is data, tons and tons of data. Every time you like a video, scroll past a post, rewatch a movie, or pause a song, you're feeding the algorithm. You're telling it something about yourself, and AI doesn't forget. Let's start with Spotify. Have you ever looked at your Discover Weekly or Made For You playlists and thought, wow, this is exactly my vibe? That's not a coincidence. Spotify tracks your listening patterns, tempo, genre, lyrics, time of day, even your mood based on what you play at AM. Over time, it forms a kind of audio fingerprint, a map of your personality, told through music. Now let's jump to Netflix. It doesn't just look at what you watch, it tracks how long you hover on a thumbnail, whether you finish an episode, when you stop watching, and even what day of the week you're most active. This helps the platform build a profile of your attention span, your emotional preferences, and even your tolerance for slow plots. Creepy? Maybe. Accurate? Absolutely. But the real beast? TikTok. TikTok's algorithm is so precise it can detect your interests in less than an hour. Researchers have tested this by creating new accounts and interacting with only certain types of content, and boom, the feed becomes hyper-focused. It's like TikTok knows you before you even know yourself. So today, I decided to do something different. I fed my digital habits into a few AI tools and personality models. The results? Surprisingly accurate, and a little weird. One tool said I'm 84% introverted, value novelty, and have a slight obsession with nostalgia. Not gonna lie, that hit a bit too close to home. Another one, based on my YouTube watch history, predicted that I love documentaries, struggle with productivity, and am probably a night owl. All true. So what's going on here? How can an algorithm that doesn't know me, never met me, and isn't even conscious figure this all out? The secret is in patterns. Machine learning models are trained on millions, sometimes billions of examples. When your behavior matches a known pattern, the AI doesn't guess, it predicts. But here's the twist. Sometimes the algorithm starts to shape you too. Think about it. You click one funny dog video, and now your feed is 70% dogs. You start watching late-night horror videos, and suddenly your sleep schedule changes. Over time, the AI stops just reflecting who you are and starts influencing who you become. And that's the real question. Are we using AI, or is AI using us? It's not all bad though. These systems help us discover music we love, shows we never knew we needed, and even teach us new things. But we also need to be aware of how much we're giving away, not just in terms of privacy, but identity. So, does AI know you better than you know yourself? In some ways, yes. It sees the patterns we don't. It remembers what we forget. It's not emotional, but it's brutally consistent. But there's one thing AI can't do. It can't surprise itself. You can. You can choose something new. You can break the pattern. You can confuse the algorithm. And maybe that's where your true self lives, not in the data, but in the unpredictable. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little experiment into the world of AI and self-discovery, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment with what your favorite algorithm is, and of course hit that subscribe button for more deep dives just like this one. See you in the next video where we let AI decide what we eat for a day. Yep, it's happening. Stay unpredictable.